Hello everyone. Yeah, this is El Tunco, and we have teams from El Salvador and South Korea, and I'm not sure what all else as far as teams are represented here, but I did meet a couple of the Korean surfers yesterday when I was out grocery shopping. Came back this morning to get a little bit of video on some surfing action and to see what's going on. So hopefully we can get the drone out a little bit and fly it over it. So hang on. Yeah, there's lots of construction going on down here on Tunco. Just met a Instagram guy here and got to talk to him for a little bit. He's going to be flying his drone, and I've already seen another drone up, so it must be safe to fly today. So we're going to give it a shot here in a little bit. We're going to walk down here past the rock. Got some people surfing down here, and looks like they're sort of spread out. They were down at the other end, and now there's a bunch down here. So we'll just take a little walk, and you can see Tunco boardwalk during the day, which is something that a lot of us never really see. This place is usually really hopping at night, usually a line to get in, so it gets a little crazy. Buenos dias. Then you get the tourists there aren't too friendly, that don't want to say hello back. Oh. Okay, this is La Bonita, and this is like one of my favorite spots to go. And most of the time they have a DJ going. Sometimes they will have a live band or a show. So it is pretty cool. Got a great view of the ocean and the rock. Good morning. Good. And this is La Guitarra, and they have a lot of bands come in here and play. And there's a lot of rock and roll, there's a lot of jazz, just different things. Hola. And so it's this is a pretty cool place to go. I like it. And they got a good burger. Good hamburgers. So this is the ISA World Longboard Championship here the last of April, and just sort of walking along the beach, catching some glimpses of the different surfers. I'll try to find out who all is represented here and post it somewhere in the video. Hope you enjoy it.
¿De dónde eres?
Estados Unidos.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Nice. Awesome.
All right.
Welcome to Salvador.
Bye. Thanks. Oh, I live here.
Oh, you do?
Yes. Hello everyone. In this video we toured El Tunco before and at the start of the World Longboard Championship. There's tons of new construction up and down that area. The normal spot that they use for the competitions and stuff was closed due to that construction. The drone was able to capture some of the surfers going out for practice runs, and it was amazing just what they can do and the skill that they have to do this. Yeah, I want to say thanks for taking a walk with me down through El Tunco and checking out some of the hot spots and all. It is a fun place. It reminds me of Bourbon Street. Now where you're at, wherever you're at in the world, in the United States, Canada, overseas somewhere, is there a place that reminds you of Bourbon Street or El Tunco? Let us know, and that way if somebody's ever in your country or in your state, they'll have a good spot to go and check out and have a fun night out. Yeah, also we took a walk down the boardwalk at El Tunco and got to check out some of the clubs and restaurants during the day, sort of to show you what it looks like there if you're down in El Tunco. And I pointed out some of the spots that I like to go to. They're fun. They usually have a band or some sort of entertainment going. Also met Soy Maynor, and I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce his name or not, but he's on Instagram. Cool young man. He had his drone. Getting ready to take some footage with that, and I got to visit with him for just a little bit. Hello. His link will be in the description. Go to his page, check out some of his videos. I think you're going to like them. Hey, I stopped by my friend Wazi's surf shop. There you go, Wazi. Anyway, and Amy was working that day and she showed us some surfboards and stuff. Very cool young lady. And they've got a lot going on. More than just surfboards, there's car rentals, there's a lot. Just go to their page and the link will be in the description below and you can find out more. Yeah, some of my friends that are online will have like the competition results, different shots of some of the surfers and stuff that they may know. So there's lots online to look for to find out even more about the competition. And I did just basically the first day, the walk around Tunco, just to get the vibe of the place and to see some of the surfers going out there getting some practice runs in. Yeah, I appreciate you guys and girls very much. And I guess until next time, it's hasta luego, and I'll see you later. Bye.